Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I want to show you how to remove the coolant reservoir. It's going to be a very easy job. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Alright, get this off of here. That gives us access to get to right here. You can use a 10mm. One bolt. Set this aside. Grab this one. Bolt number 2, same as number 1. Set it aside. Got our last bolt right over here. Continuing with our 10mm. Number 3, same as the other 2. Can't mix those up. We'll grab our reservoir. We'll set this aside. So here we go. We're going to install our coolant reservoir. Just line up the holes. We've got our 3 bolts. I'm going to start them all in before I go ahead and tighten any of them down. There we are. We'll tighten these down. Okay. Start with the hardest one to get to, because why not? Feels like it's getting close. Okay, bottomed, teeny bit. There we go. Just gonna grab the other 2. Bottomed. There it is. Let's move to the next step. Time to install this. This hose lines up with this, slides right on there. This is going to close right up. Of course, we're going to fill it first, but just to show you, clips on there, easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.